Welcome to Hong Kong! So that is my first ever supposedly video. Pero ayun, mukha akong nadapa. Pero tumalon talaga ako nun. So this is our first day. I'm traveling with my ate Myra here and our bunso Jack and her hubby Lau. So tara. So upon arrival, I was amazed by how huge this airport is. This is Hong Kong International Airport and it's so clean, it's so huge, and while looking for an ATM machine, I've noticed there are some paintings on display over there. Yan. So, upon arrival, showcase na talaga agad nila yung creativity and beauty of Hong Kong. So, it's so nice. Look at that. So, mas lalong nakaka-excite mamasyal and see the beauty and culture this place has to offer. So, it's been a really long time since I went out of the country. Jurassic times pa ata. So, before I went to Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. So, andito na po kami sa city bus. 'Di ba? Unang nagutom si ate talaga. Skyflakes ang baon. And off we go to the city center. This is the view from the bus. So, surprise, walang traffic, Well, you really can't help but compare, no? Kasi, syempre, you're in a new place, you're taking everything in, and you'll just be amazed na ang linis, ang aliwalas ng view, and you can see mountains, you can see the sea, and ayan, baba na tayo. And we're on our way to check in sa hotel. And you know, if you've been my friend or a follower for a while, you know that I love visiting Ong Pin Street sa Binondo. And parang ito lang din yun eh. There are a lot of Chinese characters na syempre hindi ko naiintindihan. Maraming kainan, maraming tinda-tinda. However, this is no offense man, pero mas malinis and mas maayos. Even the pedestrians, they follow the traffic rules. And parang everybody's just so busy. Parang everybody is going somewhere, has a purpose, or what. They go about their business. And parang everybody's on a rush. So this is a very, very busy place, guys. Ayun. So we're on our way. And ang isa pang nakakatuwa dito, the traffic lights is equipped with a sound system. So maririnig mo pag go na, or even the sound indicating na wait, you're not yet supposed to cross the road. Ayun. Dapat tinandaan ko to, itong mga gray tiles na nandyan. Diyan lagi sumasabit yung maleta ko eh. Na-realize ko siya on a much later time. Ayun. So, let's go! So for turista ang peg ko, talaga palingalinga ako. I just wanted to, you know, take everything in, look around the place, and see what it has to offer. Parang, syempre pag first time mo sa isang lugar, parang everybody's amazing. So this is where we had our late lunch. It has a 2013 Michelin star, and we take photos outside first. So syempre this is around 2 p.m. na. We had our flight delayed, by the way. So, we're kinda hungry. Nag-noodles sila while I had a beef rice ball with ampalaya. And hindi siya mapait. Ang sarap. Kaya lang ang dami ng serving, guys. So, supposedly, same day din dapat yung Disney namin ni Ate Mayan, Ocean Park nilang mag-asawa. Pero since delayed nga yung flight and after we ate, it's around 3 p.m. na. So, we decided na the following day na lang kami mag-Disney and Ocean Park. And after checking in, so, magpunta na lang kami sa Avenue of the Stars and sa Ladies Market later. So, diba, talagang palingalinga ako. Sorry na, alam ko muntang ako. Pero, you know, I think everybody will have the same reaction when going to a new place and you're just amazed by everything. I believe this is Times Square. Yes, so malapit dyan yung hotel namin. This is Causeway area. Meron ding malapit na market dyan. And just like in Binondo, yung fruits, they are so fresh looking. Yan, makinis pa sa amin. Di ba, nakakatuwa? Parang everything is upgraded. So, I'm just looking around. Kasi, surprise, you know, in this busy area, makita mo na kaagad yung mga big designer names like Louis Vuitton, Gucci. So, andyan lang sila. Diba? Wherein, sa Pinas, syempre, you have to go to either Greenbelt or Rockwell. Anyway, ayan na, papunta na kami sa MTR station. Wala pa akong octopus card niyan. So, you know, slightly worried na paano ko ba gagawin to? Will I be able to navigate the place? Parang syempre, wag kang maliligaw on the first day, please. Pero syempre, yung kapatid kong bunso, si Jake, at yung bayaw ko si Lau, they've been here last year. So, hindi naman kami wawawala. The shops here are so nice. To think na this is going to the MTR station. There, I got my octopus card. So, you can get it for 200 HKD and usable balance of 150. Look how safe their train stations are. Double doors, di ba? So, ayan na. I don't know where we are, actually. Char. Pero pupunta daw kami sa Avenue of the Stars. And ikot-ikot muna. So, hindi pa kami nabubudol ng mga time na to. Pero actually, first day pa lang. So far, budol na. Kasi ang daming pwedeng bilhin. So, we came here sa Botanical Garden ng K11 Mall. But I think since malamig pa yung panahon, wala pang mga masyadong bula-bulaklak or anything, or you might look at it as Botanical Garden pero bakit parang dry? Maybe it's because of the season. So, we're here na at the Avenue of the Stars. So, syempre, unang-una na agad namin nakita si Bruce Lee. So, this is how it looks. And, nakaka-amaze lang na yung mga makakasalubong mo. They're a lot of really beautiful girls. So, doon ako natutuwa. Kasi, sobrang cute ng fashion nila. Ayan na nga si Bruce Lee. nakita ko na si Bruce Lee. So this one I think is a floating restaurant slash tour. We didn't try this one, but I just thought that i-video ko na lang din. Maybe next time. So, hi Jack and Lau. Minions ang peg nila on the first day. They're in yellow. And this is Bruce Lee. So parang sa part na to, ayan, si Jackie Chan. Diba? Bumabalik lahat ng pinanood kong Once Upon a Time in China, Emerald. Nakakamiss lang. Because those are part of my childhood. Si Papa kasi mahilig manood ng mga ganyan, Jackie Chan, Bruce Lee. At napanood ata namin lahat ng Once Upon a Time in China movie. Here we're at Ladies Market na. So I'm in love with this purple New Balance shoes. I think mahal to way back home. So here Jack and Ate are still shopping. Kami nila wait na lang sa labas. And for dinner, this is Nganlong Restaurant. Dito natupad ang pangarap kong fried rice. Not that, of course, meron namang fried rice sa Pinas, no? But, you know, you're in Hong Kong. You have to, you know, pagod yan, try authentic Chinese food in an authentic Chinese place. And ang sarap. And sobrang dami na naman ng serving. It's good for two. And yung milk tea nila, totoong milk tea, not sugar. Malalasa mo talaga yung tea and yung milk. And that's it for our first day. Ending this video with a video of a busker near the MTR station. I think it's just lovely. I love the ending for the first day, you know. That's it. I'll be coming back for part 2 for our adventure in Hongqing and Disneyland. Bye!
Shine.